everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to control a servo motor using push button. So let's get started. So basically in this video we will cover how to control a servo motor by using push button. So firstly we talk about push button, then we talk about servo motor. So push button is just a simple switch mechanism that used to activate or deactivate an electrical circuit whenever it pressed. It usually consists of a small spring-loaded button that when pressed close an electrical circuit and allow current to flow. When the button is released, the circuit is broken and the current is stopped. Now we talk about servo motor. So basically servo motor is just a type of motor that can rotate to a specific angles or a position and stay there until it told to move again. So it consists of a regular motor combined with a sensor for a position feedback. When the servo motor receives a signal, it moves to a desirable position and holds that position with a great precision. This makes it very useful in application where precise control of motion is needed, such as robotic, remote control vehicles and automated manufacturing equipments. So let's go over the components we needed for this project. So first we use Breadboard that used to a temporary circuit designing. Then we use Arduino Uno. Then we use some jumper wires that connect our circuit designing. After this we use a push button. Then we use one 10 ohm resistor or a servo motor. In last we use a USB cable that connect our servo motor with the PC by using Arduino Uno. First we insert push button into the breadboard. Then we connect it one leg with pin number 2 by using white jumper wire. Then we insert a 10 ohm resistor in the same row. After this, we connect the free end of resistor with the ground by using black jumper wire. Then we connect the opposite leg of a push button with red jumper wire. Now we connect the servo pins with Arduino Uno with jumper wires. So first we connect the black pin with ground by using black jumper wire. Now we connect the red wire with breadboard and then we connect servo and push button with 5 volt by using green jumper wire. As you all can see, then we connect the yellow wire with pin number 9 by using yellow jumper wire. Then we connect the Arduino Uno with the PC by using USB cable. Now we open Arduino IDE and start writing the code. So firstly we include the servo header file into the Arduino IDE. Then we define constant for button pin and servo pin. Then we create a servo object. After creating servo object, we define variable. in which we store the state of push button and the position of servo motor. Then we create a setup function in which we set the push button as an input and attach servo pin with pin number 9. Then we create a loop function. First we read the state of push button and store it in button state. After this we check the button state. If button is pressed, then we toggle the servo position between 0 to 90 degree. After this we set the servo to the new position. Now we create a delay of 500 milliseconds. After completing this whole code, we upload the code. And there you have it. You have successfully controlled a servo motor by using push button. So if you like this tutorial, give it thumbs up, subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.